Hello everybody. First of all, a very happy Environment Day to you all. We celebrate this day to motivate people to plant more and more trees and be aware of our harmful activities and be mindful about it. But why are plants so important, you ask? Well, plants help us to maintain the atmosphere. They produce oxygen and reduce the amounts of carbon dioxide in the air during photosynthesis. It also provides home to a lot of organisms. It also provides us with a lot of products like timber, wood, dyes, medicine, paper, etc. Not only this, it also helps us to maintain a balance in the ecosystem. And last but not the least, it also helps to reduce soil erosion. Well, the benefits of plants are indispensable. Therefore, on this Environment Day, let us take a pledge to plant more and more trees because remember, we do not have a planet B. Thank you.
Plant. Money plant is an evergreen climber botanically known as pothos. Interestingly, it is one of the easiest, low maintenance ornamental indoor plant. It is highly adaptable and it can even grow in water. It acts as an anti-radiator, absorbing harmful radiations produced by electronic devices. It reduces stress and walls of negative energy, creating room for positivity. It is interesting to know that pothos is called money plant because health is wealth. It purifies the environment by efficiently removing airborne toxins. It makes us mentally, physically, and environmentally rich. Always remember, a money plant in a house keeps all the toxins away.
We are all very familiar about the medical benefits of aloe vera, but very few of us know its application as biopesticide and bioabsorbent of pollutants. Air purifiers can be replaced with one plant of aloe vera.
I am Asa Mittal from BCom first year. Tulsi is another name in the list of plants that gives out oxygen. Tulsi is an oxygen generator which can give competition to the best air purifiers in the world. It gives out oxygen for 20 hours out of 24 in a day, as well as ozone for 4 hours. The leaves of Tulsi emits the characteristic scent that can soothe nerve and helps reduce anxiety. It also absorbs harmful gases like carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide and sulfur dioxide. Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Shoregal from BCom 1B. This is an oxygen plant named Ficus or weeping pig. It can be easily grown indoors. It helps in purifying the air and also increases the oxygen levels inside. It also cleanses the air of harmful chemicals like formaldehyde, xylene and toluene. During the times of pandemic, it is advised to plant such kinds of plants inside homes to maintain the oxygen level. Thank you.
Aloe vera is a spiky succulent plant that is mostly found in the tropical regions of Asia, Africa, and Europe. It is known for its medicinal uses for the past 6,000 years. This plant converts carbon dioxide into oxygen even at the night time. Therefore, it is an excellent home decor. Also, the plant is a great source of antioxidants and vitamins that help protecting our skin from various problems and neutralizes the UV rays effect. Thank you.
Good afternoon. I am Niharika from BCom first year. It is an aloe vera and it is an excellent plant for purifying the oxygen as it removes benzene and formaldehyde from the air. It is also known for releasing oxygen at night. It is an excellent indoor plant for providing oxygen. It is also being a folk treatment for many maladies including constipation and skin disorders. Thank you.
This is an aloe vera plant. This plant is great for increasing oxygen at home because it absorbs carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide. 9 air purifiers can be replaced by this aloe vera plant. The gel inside its leaves can be used to cure cuts and burns, including sunburn. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Sukriti Chandna and I am from BCom second year. Plants is the easiest way to improve our surroundings and beautify our environment. And aloe vera has many antibacterial and antioxidant properties. It helps to clear our skin and it is very good for our stomach and helps to improve the lung infection. So plants more and more trees.
Planting Completum indicum, which is also known as Rangoon creeper or Chinese honeysuckle. It uses include stopping diarrhea, treatment of parasitic skin infection, used for pain relief and treatment of rheumatism.
Snake plant's botanical name is Sansevieria trifasciata. It, despite looking good, also requires less maintenance and is one of the most oxygen producing home plants. It reduces the amount of carbon dioxide in the air and absorbs harmful volatile organic compounds, which reduces the risk of airborne allergies. It also gets rid of toxic air pollutants such as cancer causing agents like benzene and xylene. Thank you.
This is Tulsi plant. Tulsi is rich in vitamin C and zinc. It acts as a natural immunity booster and keep away the infections from our body. It has antibacterial, antifungal and antivirus properties which protect our bodies. It is usually treated as an Ayurvedic medicine in India and is taken as a dry powder or as a tea. And two type of the varieties are found of Tulsi in India. One of them is purple flower and the other with the brownish green flower. Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Anirudh, and today I am with the neem tree. As we all know that neem tree requires very less water and nutrients from the soil. It also saves the environment from the air pollution. The inflorescence purifies when the wind blows. The neem tree, as all other trees, it also exhales out oxygen and it helps in keeping the oxygen level balanced in the environment. Neem tree also acts as a source of indigenous and Ayurvedic medicines for us. Thank you.